This is my part 2 of variation. Number 2, inverse variation, or we call this one as inversely proportional. That by definition, where two variables vary inversely, one variable increases as the other decreases or vice versa. So I have here to explain y equals constant of variation times the proportional of the variable x. So I have here 1 over x, and then to simplify, k times 1 is k, and then since there is 1, multiply the denominator, so I have here y equals k over x. For example, the equation is y equals 2 over x. So the constant of variation is actually given. This is 2, where the condition x must not be equal to 0. So let's start to tabulate. Start with 1. So if 1, what is the value of y? So y is equal to 2 over 1, or this will be equal to 2. So y will be equal to 2. How about the value of y when x equals 2? So 2 over 2, this will be equal to 1. Then next is the value of 3, the value of x when x equals 3. So y is equal to 2 over 3. So this is 2 over 3. Then the last will be when x equals 4. What is the value of y? So y is equal to 2 over 4. Okay? Since this is fraction, so we need to reduce to lowest term. So divide by 2 both. So this is 1 and this is 2. So this is 1 over 2. So to make a simple graph for that tabulation, so this will be, this is the y-axis and this is x-axis. So I have here for x is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. And then for y, this is also 1, and this is 2. Okay. For point 1, I have here 1 and 2. So 1 and 2. So this is 1, this is 2. So the point must be in here. No, sorry. 1 and 2, sorry. This is 1 and 2. Okay? Then point 2. Point 2 will be 2 and 1. 2 and 1. X is 2 and then y is 1 in here. Then next is 3 and 2/3. What is 2/3? What is 2/3? I think this is 0.6. So 3 and then 0.6. So estimate if this is 0.5, take in here. Higher than 0.5. And then the last is 4. When x is 4, y is half. I think in here. Okay. So if I connect this one from first point to the last point, so take note, this is decreasing. Decreasing, right? Okay, decreasing. So this is the points. Okay. So from point 1 to point 4, the graph shows it is decreasing. So that's the equation of inversely proportional k over x. Or this will, sorry, 2 over x, I mean. Now, let's move to an application for number 2. If y equals 5, when x equals 10, find x when y equals 25. Okay? So, formula is k over x. The first thing to do is, we need to solve the constant of variation. Substitute y equals 5. Then k over x is 10. Since there is no denominator, so I will put 1. Then apply cross multiplication. K times 1 is K. And then this will be 5 times 10 is 50. Okay? So therefore, my constant of variation for number 1 is K equals 50. So my equation now is 50 over X. Now find the value of X when Y equals 25. So find X. So Y is 25. And then this is 50 over X. Again, we don't have denominator, so I need to put 1 in here. And then apply cross multiplication. 25 times X, that will be 25X. And then 1 times 50, that will be equal to 50. And then to solve the value of X, divide 25 both sides. So cross out, X equals 50 divided 25 is 2. So the value for number 1, X equals 2. Now let's move to number 2. If Y equals to 2, when X equals 25, find the value of Y when X equals 1.25. So again, the formula for the second variation, Y equals K over X. Okay, solve for constant of variation. So when Y equals 2, so this will be 2, then K over X equals 25. So I need to put 1 in here and then apply cross multiplication. K times 1 is K. Then 2 times 25 is 50. So my constant of variation is 50. So I can make now my equation. So this will be Y is equal to 50 over X. Now find the value of Y when X equals 1.25. So by the way, what is 1.25 in fraction form? So this is 1, and we know that 0.5 is equal to 1 over 4. Is it correct? I think that's correct. So 1 over 4. So I have here. So to make this one a fraction, so I just multiply 4 times 1 and then plus. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So I have 5 over 4. This is improper fraction. You know I like improper fraction. So this is the value of X. So Y is unknown. So 50 over 5 over 4. So this one is 50. And then change this one, the division symbol, change to multiplication. And then reciprocal of 5 over 4. So this will be 4 over 5. This is over 1. Then cross cancellation. Divide this one by 5. This is 1. Divide by 5. This is 10. And then 10 times 4 is 40. And then 1 times 1, this is 1. So 40 over 1 is equal to 40. So the value of Y is equal to 40. That's all.